Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make the roasted gingery butternut squash soup. This is a vegan and gluten-free dish. I like to make this soup during the fall and winter. Roasted butternut squash give a much deeper and rich flavor. In this recipe, we will use 1 whole butternut squash, about 2.5 to 3 pounds, 3-4 parsnips, 1 medium onions, 2 to 3 Fuji or crispy apples, 8 ounces of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. First, cut the butternut squash in quarters. Spoon out all the seeds, then brush the butternut squash with olive oil. And then place the butternut squash on the baking sheets with skin side down, then cover with aluminum foil sheets and roast the squash for 1.5 hours at 350 degrees until the butternut squash is tender and soft. While the butternut squash is roasting, you can prep the other ingredient. Peel and cut the parsnips, the apple, and the onion. Peel and slice the ginger and put in the food processor with 1/2 cup of water and mince it. Heat 3 tablespoons oil over medium heat in a large pot. Cook the garlic onion until the onion is soft. Then add the parsnips and cook for about 5-10 minutes. Then add 1 quart of water, the ginger, the apple, and bring the mix to a boil. Turn the heat to low and cook about 45 minutes until the parsnips are very soft and tender. Use a strainer and pour the parsnips mixture into a blender and puree until everything is soft and smooth. Then put back into a large pot. Take the butternut squash out and let it cool down. Spoon out the inside of the butternut squash and place into another bowl and puree until soft and smooth. Then in the same large stock pot, pour the parsnip puree and the butternut squash puree and mix in the remainder of the parsnip water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then turn the heat to medium-low and simmer about 20 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon salt and serve. And I like to garnish this dish on top with cooked diced apple. And you will make a lot of this soup. So I usually like to put in several containers and put in the freezer. And I like to serve with guests or family. Just heat it up either in a pot or in the microwave oven. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.